Hey everybody, I'm here with Danielle. We're at the Elysium booth at SOLIDWORKS World 2019. So Danielle, tell us about Elysium, what you guys do, what you're talking about this year.
Yeah, of course. So we're a data interoperability company. So that means we have a full range of solutions for interoperability. So first and foremost, we support translation between different CAD systems, so actually converting CAD data, of course, to SOLIDWORKS. That's what we're here. But outside of just translation, we also do validation of all different CAD format. Really important working in moving towards the MBD realm in the industry trend that we've seen. We also have optimization tools such as de-featuring and simplification of data and solid enveloping, as well as quality checking of geometry and healing.
Good deal. So what's the most questions you're getting this year?
So a lot of the interest this year and actually the last couple years has been migrations to SOLIDWORKS.
Okay.
And what's kind of special about Elysium is we not only are able to convert the CAD data, the geometry, but we're also able to convert the features of the CAD data to SOLIDWORKS and keep the 2D associative drawings.
Okay.
So that's been a pretty big topic this year.
Yeah, the 2D drawings, that's always, I mean, because we're telling, people will ask, and we find they want to go to SOLIDWORKS, but they've got these old drawings, and you can recreate them pretty easily, but you guys then do the 2D drawing migration.
Yes,
associative.
So associative to 3D, and it's an automated solutions, and we have batching capabilities, so it's really ideal for bringing that legacy data over when you're trying to migrate into SOLIDWORKS.
Well, good deal. If somebody's doing that and you need to bring your drawings over, switch on to SOLIDWORKS, don't worry about it, maybe check with Elysium.
Absolutely.
Thanks a bunch.
Yeah, thank you.